Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mr. Tingle Talks, and today we're going to talk all about soil, what it is, why it's important, and what its four major components are. So very first thing, the definition of soil. This is not dirt, this is any material that is made up of minerals, organic matter, water, and air. So no longer dirt, this is all soil, and that's its definition. Alright, why is soil important? Soil is the building block of life. Everything that we know kind of generates out of the soil. This is a great medium for growing plants. Once you get plants, you get animals, you get food for humans, and our life evolves. Soil is also a great building medium. You can manipulate it, you can build your house on it, you can put stuff out of it, you can make bricks, all those cool things. Soil is also really important because it's a water purifying system. So when rain hits the ground, it percolates through the ground soil and it cleans it. It's also a way to recycle nutrients in our world as we know it. Things die and break down in here and they get recycled and put back into the ecosystem. So a lot of different reasons why soil is important, and those are a few. Alright, next big question is, what are the four main components of soil? They're really straightforward. They are minerals, organic matter, and then water and oxygen. Alright, first part is the minerals. The minerals are sand, silt, and clay, and we'll talk about those more in another video, and they make up the structure of the soil itself. So all of this brown stuff that you see in my hand, the bulk of that is the minerals. Again, they build together and they create the structure, and everything else kind of grows within it. The next part is the organic matter. These are things like the roots, the parts of the plants that have died. This is a recently tilled garden, so there's going to be a lot of thatch and grass on top of it, and all those things add in as the organic matter. Another part of that organic matter tier, though, are organisms. And a second ago, here it is, poor guy, kind of squished him a little bit, but are worms. Worms are organisms that live in the soil. Another thing, there you go, buddy. Another thing that lives in here is a lot of bacteria. There are billions of bacteria and microorganisms that live in this soil, and you can kind of say that it is alive, and those are all under that tier of organic material. Again, the next part is oxygen. If you overlook oxygen, all those little organisms and worms and microbes, they all die. So all these little holes down through here in the soil is where your oxygen is found. And likewise, that's where you'll find the water too. So it rained a lot yesterday. You can see the soil is really dark color brown. It's sticking together. There's a lot of moisture in here at the moment. And so that's that fourth component. So again, the four components of soil are mineral, organic matter, water, and oxygen. In the ideal situation, those parts should be broken up of 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, and then 25% water and 25% oxygen. If you have those percentages pretty close to that, you got a pretty healthy soil, and it'll do just about anything you want it to, and you're good to go. So, pretty quick video, but definition of soil is any material made out of mineral, organic matter, water, and oxygen. It's important because it is the building blocks of life. You can do a lot of stuff with it. It recycles nutrients. It's a growing medium. And then lastly, again, those four components are minerals, organic matter, water, and oxygen. Thanks. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye.